Roberta, we're in the middle of some strange ionic phenomenon. Never seen anything like it. It's glowing all around me.
Where exactly are you?
I'm heading towards Ser Lobos.
If it's on the NJX5, it must be the solar debris from the Elizerian supernova.
Well, anyway, it looks pretty festive around here.
Luther saw something just like this 20 years ago. You're glowing because of the static electricity.
Oh, it's all right.
Don't touch anything or anyone until you're out of the area.
Whoa, I guess Roberta was right.
Quick, quick? Quick, quick, where are you?
Jonas, I need a damage report. What's our situation? Jonas? What?
Jonas? Hello? Jonas? Oh. Jonas, where are you? Holniak!
I'm right here. Checking out the damage.
So?
Nothing serious, but the main problem is that the ship is charged with 20 million volts of static electricity, and they're gonna discharge as soon as we touch the ground, and then kaboom!
Is that all?
Everything within a kilometer of the Starduke will be burned to a crisp.
Okay, we'll land on the nearest uninhabited asteroid. In the meantime, Sienna, could you bring our passengers a little something to eat and make sure they're comfortable?
Oh, whatever you say. Ugh. Ew. I can't believe that some people call this lunch. Ugh. Come and get it.
The nearest asteroid. That would be SDX-7. The coordinates are 2832. I'll find out more and then I'll get back to you.
Okay, thanks, Roberta. So, how are our passengers doing?
Why in the world would you have accepted to take those creatures?
Because they're paying for it? You know, Princess, the Daisukis are quite famous on Ser Lobos.
Famous for what? For scaring little children?
Listen, Sienna, all extraterrestrials have their own characteristics.
There it is, SDX-7.
Strange-looking rock. Looks like overcooked gummy. All right, now, hang on tight. This is gonna be rough.
nuts!
We're gonna flip over. Wasn't so bad. Piece of cake, actually. Jonas, how's my baby doing? Jonas?
All right, I'm coming. Well, the electricity's discharged. A few minor repairs to the cockpit and we'll have enough energy to get out of here. But it would still be a good idea to check outside.
I'll take care of it. What a strange place.
How's your look out there?
Not great, but we should be able to take off. I'm coming in.
I'm almost done.
Quick! Leave Quick alone! Quick, are you all right? You better stay with Jonas. Get back to your room now. Recess is over. Huh? Get away from me!
Everything all right?
Oh, our passengers were exploring. I got them back in, though. Ugh, they really give me the creeps.
I wonder what they must think of us.
I'd rather not talk about it if you don't mind. Can we go?
Right away, ma'am. Shut it down. Strange, there wasn't anything here a minute ago. It's like these rocks climbed up the side of the Starduke.
It looks like it's stuck in a block of ice. It used to happen to boats on Earth.
How would they get out of it?
Some would wait for it to melt, but I prefer to help the process along a little.
Malo, this is important. Just find out that SDX-7 is a Class S asteroid. You need special authorization to land. Do not go near it under any circumstances. The consequences could be fatal.
Quick! Come here. Hold on tight.
You better hang on to your hat.
Hold me, Ak!
Well, that was a waste of explosives. Great globular clusters. I'm not gonna let those slugs eat away at the ship.
I see that old thing is still as good as ever.
I'm telling you, I just fixed it. Whoa!
The entire asteroid was...
Holy comets! I don't think that slug is very happy.
I understand you.
We have entered your mind, and now we are able to communicate. And we have also entered the mind of the asteroid. It is alive. That is why it is defending itself.
It's alive?
It suffers from our presence and from an even greater evil.
But what can we do?
Cure it. Cure it.
have no choice but to shoot our way out.
I'll show them what kind of protons I'm made of.
Malo? Jonas! Where are you?
We're in a pile of trouble. What's the situation on the ship?
What can you see from where you are?
A convention of giant maggots.
There's some sort of metal structure. Looks like a probe.
Yes, that's it. Do you have any Z-17 left?
Oh, yeah. And I'm gonna feed it to the slugs for dinner if they keep this up with the compliments of the chef.
Listen to me. Hang on to it. We're gonna need it later. First step, get closer to the probe.
She lost her mind.
No, I think I've figured out what's happening here. This isn't just an asteroid. This rock's alive.
Yeah, right. So, you've lost your mind too.
Okay, old Tracer, just say when.
They're fools! I'm surrounded by fools!
It's a mining probe left by the consortium. Sienna, we're in
Мы на месте.
How'd you know that there was
Как
a
ты
probe?
узнала о зонде?
От самого астероида через Daisukis.
You run that by
Объясните еще разок, специально для меня. Как я тебе и сказал, астероид — живое существо.
Probe is making
Зонд
itself.
причиняет ему боль.
Точно. А эти гиганты — антитела его защитники.
Now we're gonna give
И
them
мы
a
им
hand.
поможем.
Jonas,
Джонас, крепи взрывчатку, а я отвлеку слизней.
to attract
Нужен
antibodies,
вирус,
you
чтобы
have to
привлечь
develop a virus.
антитела.
He's totally out of his mind.
Hey, fellas, there's nothing to see over there.
Holy supernovas, what an explosion.
The asteroid is cured. And Malo?
Well, there were slugs all around the probe, and Malo, he...
And Malo, what?
He just went for a walk to stretch his legs out a little bit. So, what happened to the slugs?
Well, I told him I was a friend of yours, and that scared him off. What's new with you?
Everything's been taken care of. I think we can leave the asteroid now, Captain. What? So I'm not allowed to say hello to my friends now?
Of course you are.
Ah, it's normal.
I just love shaking their little tentacles.
Malo, Cyana, finally you're back. Did you get my message? SDX-7 is a Class S asteroid. You mustn't land on it.
Thanks, Roberta, but you're a little late.
What? You landed on it? Well, how was it?
Routine.